everyone, happy Vlogmas day 9. Yes, my son is here. You're gonna hear him in the background. Yes, so happy Vlogmas day 9. I didn't do much today because I totally forgot to record this this morning. But yeah, I didn't do much today. Basically, we were on the hunt for supplies to make a green screen for me and my husband, for his purpose more than mine, right? So we went to Home Depot. I was making like a homemade one, like with pipes, the white pipes, water pipes. So that's what we used to make it. So I'm gonna put the clip in this video of how we made it, like put it together. We already did cut the pieces, like measure the pieces, how many pieces we wanted and stuff like that, and then we look for the attachment that would attach from one piece to the next, which would be probably an elbow or a, what do you call the other one? I forgot what the other one is. So we did we already planned ahead of time and to see what size we wanted and the different size we wanted for the elbow and stuff like that. And then we went down there and got all of that. So we did cut them there. We didn't bring them back home and cut them. We just cut them there. And then so when we got back home, we did put up, we're about to get set them up, so we decided to make a video of it to post for you guys to see how we made our green screen. Yes, it's pretty simple. And we got we went to the fabric store to just get a lime green material. It wasn't a sheet but a material, so that's what we'll be using. So yeah, just watch and hope your Christmas is going well so far, right? It's almost Christmas day, like 3 more weeks, probably 2.5 maybe. Yeah, but yeah, so I hope you guys do enjoy. If you do like the video, please do thumbs up. Also, please subscribe if you would like, and also hit the notification bell, which will be over here. You think over here? Yes, do hit the notification bell to see whenever I post new videos. All right, I'm just trying to go along with the Vlogmas to see if I can keep up as well. So yes, tomorrow would be me and my hubby anniversary, 7th anniversary. So you also be seeing probably a short clip of us, maybe throughout the day or maybe just for the night. We'll see how it goes, because we don't really like to do much of vlogging or anything like that on our anniversary, because it's basically for us and our son to just enjoy ourselves. But yeah, all right, let me start rumbling. Let's get to the video. All right, later, see you later. Okay guys, so basically we went ahead and already cut our pieces that we wanted from Home Depot. We got the water pipes from, and the elbow joint and stuff like that. So what we're gonna do now is basically put it together. So this is a simple green screen, and I think we're gonna leave the measurements of everything that we used below in the description bar. So this part is the easiest part of it, just putting it together, and we got everything that we wanted at Home Depot. So do enjoy and see you later. All right.